Working and collecting experience.
I think I'm going to study computer science.
I've just given my A-levels.
विदेश ट्राई गर्ने हो.
United States, probably.
Good universities are located in Canada. Hi, I'm Ushan.
My name is Kushal Kharga.
My name is Nikhil Bosnet.
My name is Utsav Kandil. Arthak Rajniraula.
I'm Christina Subedi.
मेरो नाम सुगत पराजुली.
My name is Neil Vikram Rana. Yes, so I completed my schooling and SLC from GEMS, Graded English Medium School. And then I passed my A-levels from GIHE. And currently I finished my GED.
I just finished my plus 2 from Ulan School.
Yes, I completed my SCs from DAV. अनि A levels चाहिँ मैले रातोबङ्गलाबाट गरेको.
I've studied A-levels for 2 years.
ए म भर्खरै जेम्सबाट ग्रेजुएट भएको प्लस 2.
I studied in St. Mary's School till grade 10 and I'm currently studying in Rathabangla School. I'm in my second year and I take physics, chemistry, computer, GP and math.
अब विदेश ट्राई गर्ने हो ल पढ्नको लागि हैन हेरौँ के हुन्छ.
Well, I'm planning to go abroad and study, but then let's see what happens.
I'll probably study here or apply abroad.
Plans अहिले केही छैन तर I'm still exploring. अब हेरौँ के हुन्छ.
Definitely bachelor's, but before doing my bachelor's, I spend my time here working and collecting experience.
कन्ट्रिज त त्यस्तै हो. साउथ कोरियाको ल पढ्न मन छ एउटा अनि त्यसपछि त्यही क्युबाको ल पढ्न मन छ.
I'm looking countries in Europe and mainly, I don't know, Australia maybe.
United States, probably. And some parts around Europe. London, hopefully.
South Africa अनि अस्ट्रेलियाहरु चाहिँ हेरिरहेको छु.
I applied to different universities in different countries, United States, China, Japan, Czech Republic, couple more in Europe. Yeah, that's it.
Nursing and pre-physician.
I think I'm going to study computer science.
कोर्स त खै खासै थाहा छैन अब यसो कन्सल्टेन्सी जानु पर्ला.
I'm interested in BBA course.
Business management, of course.
Well, खै engineering सोचिरहेको हो तर अहिलेसम्म स्योर नै छैन.
I'm interested in international relations. I believe it has a good scope in Nepal.
Canada, I haven't thought much about it. My priority has been the US.
ए क्यानाडा त एकदम राम्रो कन्ट्री हो मैले सुनेको हैन. अब सबैजना गइराख्नु भएको छ जाँदाखेरि राम्रै होला.
Canada is a nice country to study. Well, most of the good universities are located in Canada.
Canada त खै जान्न जस्तो लाग्छ खासै. I've not thought about it yet.
Canada is actually a good place to study. It has like actually good universities over there.
ए युके त एकदम राम्रो कन्ट्री हो. त्यहाँ त अब फुटबल सुडल पनि राम्रो विकसित हुँदैछ हैन. पढाइ पनि एकदम राम्रो छ.
UK is also a good country to study and make your career.
No, any thoughts?
It's a straight no for United Kingdom for me because I just don't like the vibe of United Kingdom and if I can't vibe there, I can't study there. So I just don't care about United Kingdom.
I'm not going to the UK.
त्यसो स्योर युके त जानै पर्छ जस्तो छ.
Maybe I have to think about it.
त्यो चाहिँ थाहा छैन. गर्दैन जस्तो लाग्छ UK.
No, I'm not going to UK.
No, it wouldn't.
Yes, I am.
अहिलेसम्म त छैन तर दिन्छु होला छिट्टै नै.
Yes, I am because I am planning to go abroad to Australia for my studies and IELTS is required to go to Australia.
I'll go for IELTS classes.
दिने प्लानमा चाहिँ छु अब यही वर्ष.
No, not again because I've already given my IELTS twice and the first time I got it 6.5 and the second time I got 7.5. So I'll stop there.
Planning to give TOEFLs.
Consultancies are necessary to go to any country because they help you throughout the process. That's why I think it's very necessary to use consultancies.
कन्सल्टेन्सीज एकदम राम्रो हो जानुपर्छ. एकचोटि गयो भने चाहिँ राम्रै होला जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ.
Consultancies, well, they basically make our life easier because they just lead us. So consultancies are very good for students who are going abroad and especially Australia.
They help us राम्ररी हाम्रो प्रोसेसेसलाई सजिलो बनाइन्छ.
So whichever universities that I applied to, I never applied with any consultancy. So I believe you don't really need to go to a consultancy. So I did everything myself.